The problem is a box contains 4 bad items out of 12 items. Okay, then obtain the probability distribution of the number of bad items when 3 items are drawn at a random, and hence find its mean and standard deviation. Here in this particular example there are total 12 items are there. Out of that, bad items is equal to 4, and therefore good items will remain 8. Okay, out of this 12 I have to select 3 at a time. Okay, then let me define x, random variable x, as number of bad items. Number of bad items drawn. Number of bad items drawn when 3 items are to be drawn. Are to be drawn at random. Therefore, range of x will become, as we are drawing only 3 items at a time, those 3 items may be 0 items. I may select bad items at a time. Okay, 0 items I may select bad items. 1 bad item also I may select. 2 bad items and 3 bad items. That means whenever we are drawing 3 items at a time, out of 3, 0 items are drawn bad items, and all remaining 3 items I may select good items. Like that, 1 bad item and 2 good items I may select. Like that, 2 bad items and 1 good item, all the 3 bad items and 0 number of good items I may draw. That's why it is a range of bad items selecting at random. For this one, probabilities I have to assign. Okay, therefore probability of x naught equal to 0. How to find out this? Here, to find out the probability of this one, I will use the selection item type. Okay, here again I am going to use the definition of a probability here. Okay, just let me introduce here. Probability of any event is given by order of that event divided by order of sample space. Here, order of sample space, this case, first case, is nothing but to find the probability of 0 items, bad items to be selected. Therefore, here order of sample space, total items are 12. Out of 12, I am drawing 3 items at a time. Therefore, 12 3 ways I can select a total. Yes. That is our order of sample space. And what is our event? My event is now selecting 0 bad items and 3 good items, and I am using here. Okay, here 0 bad items, total bad items are 4. Out of that 0 I have to select. Therefore 4C0 is a selection of the 0 bad items, and I have to select 3 good items. Therefore 8 out of 8 I have to select 3 good items. This will give you the probability of selecting 0 items at a time, which is given by, I can use the calculator to find out that is 4C0 8C3 divided by 12C3, that is equal to 14 divided by 55. Like that, probability of x1 is equal to 1. Here x1 represents the number of bad items. How many bad items I have to select now? Therefore, but first I will write order of sample space, that is 12C3. Out of this, 1 I have to select bad item. Total bad items are 4. Out of that 4, 1 bad item I have to select. Therefore, 4C1 into, out of 8 good items, I have to select now 2 good items. Already 1 item I have selected, bad one. Therefore, 8 see 2 ways I have to select the good items, which is given by 28 divided by 55. Like that, probability of selecting a bad item, 2 bad items, is given by 4C2 into 8C1 divided by 12C3. 2 bad items selecting and 1 good item selection, that is given by 12 divided by 55. Like that, one more, probability of selecting all 3 bad items x3, that is 4C3, and selecting 0 good items is given by 12C3, which is equal to, it is given by 1 divided by 55. Okay, using these probabilities, I can just check all of these probabilities are greater than or equal to 0, and sum of all the probabilities must be equal to 1. All the denominators are same, therefore 14 plus 28 plus 12 plus 1. 28 plus 12 is 40, 40 plus 14, 54, 54 plus 1, 55. Therefore, sum of all the probabilities also is equal to 1. Using this, I can form the probability distribution for this. Okay. If we arrange them in a table form, that will give you the probability distribution for that. Using this probability distribution, I have to find the mean. Mean mu is given by summation of xi into p of xi, that is equal to 0 into 14 divided by 55 plus 1 into 28 divided by 55 plus 2 into 12 divided by 55 plus 3 into 1 divided by 55, which is equal to 0 plus, and LCM I will take it as 55. Therefore 28 plus 24 plus 3, which is given by 75. Here I will get 55 and mean will become 1. Okay, like that, for variance, summation of xi into p of xi minus mu square, 0 square into 14 by 55 plus 1 square into 28 by 55 plus 2 square into 12 by 55 plus 3 square into 1 by 55 minus mu square. Mu is 1, square is 1. Therefore, simplifying that, 0 into anything is 0 plus 28 plus 2 square is 4, 4 into 12 48 plus 3 square is 9 divided LCM is 55 minus 1. Therefore, get 6 by 11 as the variance. Then standard deviation is equal to square root of variance, that is the square root of 6 divided by 11. Okay, thank you friends, please subscribe my channel.